Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows 10/11 updated and a DirectX 12 capable GPU with current drivers. Once done, open Epic Games Launcher. Make sure Fortnite is fully updated. You should also close overlays and background recording to avoid conflicts. Next, launch Fortnite and go straight to Settings. This is where you switch rendering modes. These steps prevent wasted time later and ensure DirectX 12 options will appear. Proceed now to change. You navigate to Settings, then Video, and set rendering mode to DirectX 12. This is the key toggle. Once selected, apply changes and accept any prompts. Then fully exit Fortnite and relaunch to load the new graphics API. After relaunch, confirm DirectX 12 shows active in the Performance overlay or settings. If you use ray tracing or DLSS, leave them off initially and enable one at a time to test stability. This isolates issues and optimizes performance. You finish by tuning settings. Raise textures and shadows only if FPS remains stable, and monitor GPU temps. If Fortnite crashes or stutters, make sure Windows and drivers are up to date. Then try DirectX 11 by reverting the rendering mode. That quick fallback confirms if the issue is DX12 specific. If problems persist, capture logs, try a clean driver install, and submit them to Epic support. One key tip: test after each change so you know what caused any regression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.